We don't need healing. What we need is to start living. And why I'm saying it? Because we do our inner work. We read. We meditate. We journal every day. We change the method. We learn different new methods. But the reality is that nothing is changing. Why? Because healing sometimes can be another trap. Sometimes can be another reason to not do anything, to not act, and to not start finally living. Stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to use healing system as your allies and how finally start living. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to thank you for all the beautiful messages of support that you're sending me. And this video, my friend, is for you. For those of you that are working on yourself but still afraid to begin. And you think that you have to be healed before being able to start living. During my study, I had to read thousands of books, learn different methods of healing. To make the story short, until one day, I had the biggest problem of my own life. Loss of a loved one. That was very difficult for me. And then I started to use several of those methods that I learned by heart on myself. At a certain point, I understood one thing. I am waiting for being healed completely to start living again. And then this was the question that I asked myself. Isn't it perfection in disguise? Am I exchanging one identity for another one? I wasn't afraid of growth. I was addicted to it. Addicted to fixing, to healing, to understanding without ever applying it to my life. Healing is beautiful. But it can be also dangerous. It can be a hiding place, a place that you feel safe, to feel like you are making progress without ever applying it to your life. Ask yourself what you lived. What was the first reason that you started this healing process? And most importantly, what you took off the page and applied to your life? And what was the result of it? We mistake sometimes learning for transformation. But learning is the beginning. Until you act, nothing ever shifts. Pause for a moment and ask yourself where I had been a year ago. What habit have you added to your daily life? And the most important, have those habits change the actual reality of your life? Mind loves healing because it feels safe. Reading, reflecting, journaling, memorizing. It feels like progress. But the real progress starts when you apply those knowledge to your daily life. When you speak your truth. When you take action, even if you're afraid. That's the age when the transformation starts. As James Clear in Atomic Habits beautifully says, time magnifies the margin between success and failure. Your daily small choices can either build changes or keep you in the loop. You don't become whole before you start creating. You become whole by creating. Start taking action today. One action that stretches you. Something that speaks your truth. Ask yourself the scariest question. Why you're taking this healing process? Healing is not about changing and becoming someone else. It's about understanding and remembering who you are beneath that pain. So if you're stuck in healing mode, this is a challenge for you. Stop waiting. Start taking action. Ask yourself, Am I using this healing process as a safe place and as a reason to not take action? Am I becoming addicted to healing? Or I'm using healing as a tool to start living? Take one small little knowledge that you took from this healing process that you had and apply it today to your life, even if it's messy, especially if it's messy. If you have any question about healing process, do not hesitate to send me a message and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, goodbye.